You may give without loving, but you cannot love without giving. My dear sisters and brothers, the theme from the first reading of the day from the letter to the Hebrews is, He offered sacrifice once for all when He sacrificed Himself. Notice how there is a sacrificing of oneself as one offers oneself to God. One may give without loving, but one cannot love without giving. And when you raise your hand to God and say, Here I am, I come to do your will, you got to be there all the time, in all circumstances, in all events of life, in its various stages. Even when it seems to sink you, you've got to be there. For being in the service of the Lord means responding to His call with, Here I am, I come to do your will. And in the process, what does God expect of us? Well, it may be wiser to ask ourselves, when we are in God's service, what does God not expect of us? The answer is simple. He expects everything. Our time, our energy, our talents, our wisdom, our goodwill, our willingness, and sometimes, when needed, our life as well. And that's what it means to say to the Lord, Here I am, Lord, I come to do your will. That is the way Christ would offer Himself on the cross. In fact, that is the way He would offer Himself all His lifetime, at every stage, at every instance. In whatever it be the circumstance He found Himself, He gave His all to the Father. He was free. He had a choice, and He made that choice, and He took that decision to offer Himself completely to the Father. As you search the scriptures, you notice that Jesus did have this realization that He was called by God, that He was someone special, that the Father was into Him, and He had to reciprocate and respond to that call with all His being. And that is why even as a 12-year-old, He would turn to His parents who think that He is lost, when in fact they are the ones that are lost, and they finally find Him in the temple. He would say to them, But didn't you know that I should be busy with my Father's business? And in being in His Father's business, He would give His all. And from the cross, He would open His arms and say, Father, into your hands I commend my spirit. Or in the other gospel, He would say, It is complete. And so let's pause for a while and ask ourselves this question. What am I prepared to give to the Lord? Am I willing and ready to give my time, my energy, my hard work, my goodwill, and my life when needed? Or am I just saying, Here I am, Lord, I come to do your will for the sake of it without realizing its meaning? One may give without loving, but one cannot love without giving. And one needs to give of oneself completely when in the service of the Lord. Let's pray for this grace, for this generosity.